Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a color change with these nails. There's nothing wrong with these nails, y'all. I just got tired of the color, to be honest with you. So I'm coming in with this coarse drill bit that I got off Amazon. I'll make sure I leave the link in the description box. And I'm basically just trying to debulk the nail, take off as much color as possible. This set I only had it on for about a week and a half, so I didn't experience any lifting or anything, but I'm just taking down majority of the bulk of the nails. So if you're wondering what that is around the nails, around the cuticles, I actually do hair. So that is hair color because, when you're shampooing out your client's hair, sometimes it just, messes up. But anyways, I tried to file off most of that. On my other hand, I actually did like a really cute little design. So you'll see some gel polish on there. I tried to peel off as much as I could because, I don't know, I was being lazy, but I'm just going to continue to take down as much of whatever I can off the nail. So now I'm coming in with my fine sanding bit. At this point, I'm just taking off some of the shine off my natural nail. It's really not much new growth because, like I said, I only had these on for about a week and a half. So it also helped kind of get some of that color off from around my cuticles as well and get some of that dead skin off my nail plate. So next I'm coming in with this bit. This gets any extra skin or dead stuff away. And I've really noticed since I've been focusing on this and using this, I've experienced little to no lifting. Most of my lifting is on my other hand because I'm working with my non-dominant hand. So my application usually isn't as neat. But that's pretty much it. But I am using this 3-in-1 Dehydrator Primer and no lift something. I don't know, y'all. I'm using this. I really want to try that Kiara Sky primer. So if y'all have tried it, let me know in the comments what it's really like. Because, I don't know. I just want to see what it's like. So anyways, I am coming in this acrylic color. I'll make sure I link it below. It is from Nail Supply Glamour. If y'all don't know, that's one of my favorite acrylics just because it's affordable and super buttery. So if you're looking for some like good quality on a budget, I definitely would check out them. This is not sponsored. I'm just, letting y'all know because for all my cheap girls like me, they're probably one of the best for the inexpensive companies. So I did use another company's monomer. And I did notice a difference in how the acrylic was setting. I didn't really care for that, but I went ahead and just finished up because, once you start, you don't stop. So I'm just applying this acrylic to all of my nails and trying to make sure that I apply enough to cover the base color that's underneath. Also, I tried to keep this as thin as possible. I do encapsulate with a clear after just so I can file more into the clear, less into the color. And as you can see, there were some little fuzzies that were in this acrylic. I've never had this happen before, but it happened this time. But just wanted to let y'all know. I swear it's time to keep these feelings.
Luxury is where you are. That's Daz. Hagen Daz.
What's this? Ooh.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
All right, so now I'm coming in with that taper bit, but this time I'm using the fine one. The first time y'all saw me using the coarse one. So this is how I clean up around my cuticles as well as just shape the nail into a neater shape. So I go vertical on the nails just so that way it can have that nice little kind of taper. And then I clean up the sides as well. So this is where I do most of my shaping. I usually take the finer side of my nail file and I go ahead and shape the sides. Just make sure that they're nice and narrower because I do got some little fat fingers and wide nail plates. So just to soften the look, I kind of go under, make sure I pick up any of those little drips that may have happened, which usually don't, but just in case. And then once again, I go around the cuticle just to make sure it's flush. And then I take my nail file flat on the nail plate and go up and down. And that usually makes my apex like perfect and tapers that tip so it's not so thick. So if you watch my channel, I'm not really big into nail art. Not because I can't, but because, yeah, your girl gets frustrated. I love to paint, but I'm more like a canvas type painter so I can have a bigger space. But these little nails, y'all, my patience is so thin, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to keep going today. So I went ahead and I did these little swirls and whirls on these nails. The brushes I use, I do believe I got them from Dynamic Nail Supply. The gel polish I'm using is from iGel. And then the top coat that I use on this set is now my new favorite top coat. Is super shiny. And it's just like, you know that, I don't know, y'all, like, I miss this kind of gel top coat. So I'm going to make sure I link that in the description box. I did come in with my chrome nail powders because I want to give it just a little shimmer. I don't know, y'all, just trying something different. So I'll make sure I link everything in the description box as well as the chrome powders, the top coat, everything. So yeah, let me know what y'all think of these nails. Make sure that you comment below and let me know what you want to see next or just what you think of these. And if you stayed to this point in the video, you might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and thumbs up this video and to help me out. So I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will tell me what to do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long.